So hello everyone, this is David with United Real Estate Louisville, and we just finished the closing for my client on his brand new Fisher home, and he has given me permission to take you inside of this brand new 2020 Fisher home. So let's go check this thing out. So from the front door, we come in, beautiful open concept, your first living area right here with these beautiful, very good energy efficient windows, keeps it nice and warm in here. We flow straight into another living area. So I see for a lot of Fisher homes, this first area is like an office. So it can be an office, it could be a study. This is your official living room. Again, the windows, and then flows open concept right into this beautiful kitchen. Oh my goodness, look at this. These beautiful countertops that the client gets to choose. The sink and the faucet that the client gets to choose. Beautiful stainless steel appliances. And this cute island here with beautiful countertops as well. So straight off the kitchen, we come this direction. We have our half bath. So here is your big old garage, 2-car garage. They come standard with all of these Fisher homes. So you can fit 2 of your cars in here, extra storage, whatever you need to use your garage for. Here, of course, right beside your kitchen is your pantry, storing all of your dry goods. Next to that here we have a closet. And then next to that is where your water heater and water softener goes. So going up the stairs to your second floor, we have all of our bedrooms. So here is the first bedroom. And these wonderful pot lights are amazing. And your window to the outside. And then a closet. And because Fisher Homes loves the curb appeal and the natural light, in this Fisher home, you actually have a window in your closet. Coming out of this first bedroom to our left is our first full bath. It will be the second. This is a 2-bath, 2.5 bath, and this is the first full bath. Coming back out here is your loft area. Again, windows for light, and then into our second bedroom. Coming back out into the loft area, we have our laundry room. Big laundry room. And then the closet for the furnace. Into the owner's suite, the biggest bedroom of them all, the owner's suite with walk-in closet. And then over into the owner's bathroom with a linen closet as well. Shower, and then individual commode there. So this Fisher home started at $243,000. My client added some upgrades to the home, which brought it to $245,711. I highly recommend Fisher Homes for all of your new construction homes, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and this grand tour of this client's home. Thank you and have a great day.